HS Fiber Communication Equipment Company Limited, also known as HSGQ, is a global market innovator and application technology pioneer in the field of optical communication equipment and optical network interconnection. Established in 2007 and headquartered in the center of the science and technology city of China, Shenzhen, HSGQ focuses on the research and development, production, sales, and service of optical fiber communication equipment as a whole. HSGQ provides broadband access products and network application development services based on all optical network technology, providing clients and customers with customized solutions. Currently, the company product line covers Gpon, Epon OLT equipment, Gpon, Epon ONU equipment, commercial, industrial optical fiber transceivers, SFP optical transceivers, modules, and other optical fiber communication transmission equipment. HSGQ develops, designs, and produces all products independently, possessing complete independent intellectual property rights. The company holds a number of industry utility model patents and computer software copyright registrations and has obtained numerous authoritative test certifications from multiple countries. All products have been certified with 3C, CE, Anatel, ISO 9001, ROS. Cumulatively, HSGQ has provided services to more than 2,000 clients in over 70 countries worldwide. The products are widely deployed in the fields of Ethernet, FTTH, large-scale telecommunication, electricity, communication, intelligent traffic control, public security monitoring, hospital, hotel, school, government enterprises. Throughout the years, HSGQ has established a sophisticated system of sales, customer service, and technical support covering Asia, Southeast Asia, Europe, America, domestic China, and many other regions, irradiating the global optical communication application fields.